If you ever need to close all browser tabs at once in Firefox, the fastest way is actually to close the entire browser window. In this video, I'll show you the easiest methods step by step, so you can get rid of every open tab instantly without closing them one by one. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Firefox tips and software guides. Let's jump right in. The first method is the simplest one. Open your Firefox browser if it's not already active and take a look at the top corner of the window. In most setups, you'll see the close button, usually marked with an show. Click that and Firefox will close the entire browser window along with every tab that's open inside it. This is the quickest way to shut everything down at once, especially if you have a lot of tabs open and you just want a clean exit. Now, if you prefer using your keyboard, there's another easy method. First, make sure Firefox is the active window by clicking anywhere inside the browser. This step matters because the shortcut only works on the window that currently has focus. Once Firefox is active, press Alt plus F4 on your keyboard. That keyboard shortcut immediately closes the browser window and all of the tabs inside it. If you have more than one Firefox window open, just repeat the same shortcut for each window you want to close. That way you can quickly clear everything out without manually hunting down each tab or each window. This is especially useful if your screen is cluttered and you want to shut everything down fast. So, to recap, you can either click the X to close the whole Firefox window or use Alt plus F4 as a fast keyboard shortcut. Both methods close all tabs at once because they close the browser window itself. It's a simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time every day. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.